In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up your talk phone number in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. From here, click on the top left right here on support and then go to admin center. The next thing for you to do is to go to your left panel and click on channels. And then under talk and email, go to talk. This is where you can set up your talk phone number. So click on get started. Of course, the first thing that you need to do is to type in the number that you want to use. So once you type that in, click your agents right here. Now, if you want it for you only to use, you can use it on the basic plan. But if you want specific users or if you want everyone to be able to use this, you need to upgrade your plan. Next, of course, is to make sure that you're online. So you need to click right here. Then this is basically a training. So I'm going to accept, example, and then I'm going to end the call. And then I'm going to make myself available. So that's basically the steps in using this. Next, check out the ticket. Now, as you can see, this is the ticket generated from that call that we just had earlier. And that's it. That's how you use the talk with the phone number that you just provided earlier. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.